Good afternoon, standard 4th. So in last class we have studied about day and night. I have explained you about how it becomes day and night. So in today's class I'll be explaining how could be the reason for this. Okay. So wait a minute. See, can you all see this? This is a top spin. Okay. Just as a top spins about itself, when you spin it, it turns itself. So as the same way, the earth also turns around itself. So the part of the earth that is getting sunlight goes into darkness, and the part that is in darkness comes into light. That is where there is day, it becomes night after some time, and where there is night, it becomes day. Have you all understood? As the spin turns itself, in the same manner the earth also rotates by itself, and when the sun rays falls in the one part of the earth, so the other part will be dark, that will be night. Okay, so the rotation, the spinning of the earth around itself on its axis is called rotations of the earth. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, now the sun rises in the east in the morning and moves towards the west in the evening. The sun sets in the west, so we feel that the sun goes around the earth, but that is only an impression. Actually the earth turns around itself. That is why we have day and night on the earth. This spinning of the earth around itself is called the rotations of the earth. Are you all clear, children? So next, turn your page. Next, the whole day has 24 hours, but are there always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness? If that were true, we would have sunrise every morning at 6 o'clock and sunset every evening at 6 o'clock too. So according to the calendar, according to the season, let's see in which month we have day longer and night shorter. According to 22nd March to 21st June, on 22nd March, day and nights are both 12 hours long. Then in our part of the earth, daytime increases slowly and nighttime decreases. This goes on till 21st of June. On 21st of June, our day is the longest and the night is the shortest. And from 21st June to 21st September, in our part of the earth, daytime becomes shorter and nights become longer. On 22nd September, our day is of 12 hours and the night too is of 12 hours. Okay, these are the differences. And on 22nd September to 22nd December, from 22nd December to 22nd September, the day continues to become shorter. The shorter and the nights continue to be longer. Okay, it मतलब अभी का season है, अभी this time the winter season. It okay, on 22nd December our night is longest and the day is shortest. Just observe. And 22nd December to 22nd March, from 22nd December to 22nd March, the day grows longer and the night is shorter. This goes on till 22nd March. From 22nd March, this cycle repeats again. Now how these changes will happen? In summer, days are longer and nights are shorter. In summer days, मतलब after March, April, May, in that time the days are longer and nights are shorter. And in winter, मतलब अभी का season, in winter the nights are longer and days are shorter. This is all that it means. Okay, now finally what we have learned from this lesson? What we have learned from this lesson? As the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is daylight on half of the earth while there is darkness on the other half. Okay, and secondly, the earth spins around itself like a spinner. So the part that faces the sun goes into darkness and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth. Okay, The third point is we can observe that the 24 hours of the day are divided into 12 hours day and 12 hours night on 21st March to 22nd September. From December to June, the day gets longer, while from June to December, the day gets shorter. Okay, this is all. That's all for today's class. I hope you have understood the lesson. For the next class, I'll be sending the notes of day and light. Hereby, I have completed the portion for the month of November. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a great day.